Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video we are going to see that how we can detect languages using Python. So in this video we are going to use the langid library of Python. So first of all, how to import that library means how to install that library. So this is the code pip install langid. So when you'll execute your shell, then in my case I've already installed. So it is saying that requirement already satisfied. Uh, if you have not installed, then it will take some time and then it will be installed. Okay. Now, first of all, now when we have installed the langid, we have to import the langid library. Then we have to store our text which we want to identify in an object called text. You can name your object. It depends on you. Then there is a method classify present in the langid library. Okay, now this method is used to classify the language and give a confidence score. Means this method returns a tuple. First it returns the first value it returns is the language, and the second value it returns is the confidence score. So because we know that this, let's see. Okay, so when we are printing this line of code, you can see it is returning as a tuple. First is returning the language and then it is returning the confidence score. So when we know that it is returning a tuple, so what we can do, we can store the language and the confidence in different variables and then we can print separately. As you can see, I have printed language, lang, and confidence score separately. Okay. So this is the language English. So it gives us the code for each language, which has been stored in this langid model. Okay, so in the langid library, there is a pre-trained model which can be used for real-time object identification, means real-time language identifications type of applications. So it just gives us the code. So for English, the code is EN. Okay, so now let's check which language is this. So let's execute this cell. So now in this, we have applied multiple sentences. Okay, here we have only one sentence, hello, how are you today? Now here we have formed with two sentences together. Okay, so let's see which language it is. So this language is FR. FR stands for France. Okay, so this is French language, and the confidence score is okay, as you can see. Now, suppose if we have a list of text, then how we can identify our each text? So for that, I have taken uh, three items, means three sentences in my list called texts. Okay, and then I'm going to identify this three sentences present in our list. Okay, so how we are going to identify it? We have created a loop here for text in text. So it means for each time identifying each sentence, we have taken the loop. Then what we are trying to do, again the same thing, we are using the classify method, and then we are putting our text, means each time only one sentence will go, and then it will return tuple, the lang and the confidence, and then it will print, first it will print the text, then the language, and then the confidence. So let's execute our cell and let's see what will the output. So as you can see the output, the first one text is hola, the language is GL. GL is for, I think it's is used in Spain. It is a Galician language which is used in uh, Spain, and this is the confidence score. Then after that, the second one is the text is this, and it is German language, German Dutch language. So that's why it is giving us DE. Okay, this is the code for Dutch language, DE, and GL is the code for the Spanish language, Galician. Okay, then the third text is this, and its language is Japanese. Okay, so Japanese stands for JA, means the code for Japanese language is JA. Okay, so we have identified our text. Now let's identify the language with short text. Okay, so we have given only short text in different languages, and let's identify that which language it is. Okay, so we are not going to do much, we are just going to keep our short sentence in the object called sort underscore text, and then same thing in the classify. Using the classify method, we'll put our object here sort underscore text, and then we'll store the language and confidence in separate variables, and then we are printing the language lang and the confidence. Okay, let's execute the cell. Let's see. Okay, so it is also a French language. Okay, with its confidence score. Okay, now let's check our, yeah. So this is Hindi, HI stands for Hindi, and this is our confidence score. So I hope that this video will be very helpful for you. Uh, Using this library, you can create your own applications also, uh, a real-time language identification applications like this. Okay, so I think this video will be very helpful for you guys. Thanks for watching the video. We'll see you in the next video.